And as always, remember to keep on tracking.
And cut. That was good, Pat.
Of course it was. Hey, TJ, can you help me out for a minute?
Oh yeah, I'll be there in a second. Hey there, what seems to be the issue?
Hey, you know, I just finished doing one of our videos and of course we're posting it to social media, but to be honest with you, I'm really not that good at understanding what all that stuff is, you know. I'm sitting here right now on my computer, I'm all over my MySpace account and I can't seem to find anything that has to do with us.
Oh, you sweet thing. So the thing with MySpace is it's a little outdated, you know, people don't really use that much. So if you want to go on Facebook, I can show you that instead.
Okay, well I do have that account too, so maybe you can walk me through that a little bit.
All right, so the first thing you want to see is your search bar at the very top, and then in that you want to type in TRAK Machine Tools. And what you want to do is you want to click to like to make sure to show your support. And actually what you want to do then is there should be a little drop-down menu for that. And you want to select the See First right over here. And what that'll do is once you go to your feed, the first thing you'll see is the videos that they upload.
Isn't there some other social media out there I should be aware of?
There actually is. We have an Instagram page as well.
But I thought that was just for dank memes.
Oh, well, you know, if you want to take your phone out, I can show you.
All right. Okay, so what do I do first? Go to my Instagram account. I do have that part at least.
Perfect. So what you want to do is at the very bottom, there should be a magnifying glass. If you want to click on that, that'll bring up your search up here. And then you want to type _. And just like Facebook, it should show up a result right here. And you click that. And now you found our page on Instagram. And in the same way, you want to follow that as well. But instead of liking the page, you can go to each individual picture, double tap twice, and you'll like the picture.
I've also known for a fact that we've got our information also on the YouTube channel. Is that correct?
Perfect. Yeah, we do. If you want to go to our YouTube channel, I can show you that as well. Just like the other two, there's a search bar right up here, and you want to search TRAK Machine Tools.
All right.
And it's a little different than Facebook and Instagram. Instead of a page, you have a channel. And you want to subscribe to that channel, which is the same function as following the page.
How do I navigate around here? What do I do first?
Well, first off, you want to hit by subscribing. So when you're in your feed, you'll see the videos come up when they upload it. And now you see here, you have home, videos, and playlists. Your home obviously shows you the videos that they've uploaded. The videos are the most recent, and the playlists, which are fairly important, will be organized in specific categories. Say, for example, you need to know something about RMX or a lathe. They'll be organized in that manner.
Well, I think I kind of have a basic understanding on this. I'm certainly sure it's going to help me in the meantime, you know. Thank you very much for all your help, and I guess I better get back to work.
Oh yeah, perfect. You know, speaking of help, would you mind helping me on one of the lathes out there?
Absolutely not. No, I'd be happy to. Let me meet you out there in a minute, okay? As soon as I'm done with this. See you out there.
Oh, I see now. You know, thank you, Pat, so much for your help. I appreciate it.
Not a problem, and I really do appreciate you helping me with all the social media stuff. As for you guys out there in TV land or whatever you want to call it, we know that the videos keep coming and you guys have really appreciated them. I'm hoping that this gives you a little better idea how to follow along. Until the next video, as always, I'm Tracking Pat.
I'm Tracking TJ.
Hey, wait a minute. I'm not ready to retire anytime soon.
Okay.
Yeah, but until then, as always, remember to
keep on tracking.